How to create seamless AI video transition using Higgsfield. It's pretty simple. You want to go to Higgsfield AI's official website. From here, you can go on the option video. Once you're in the video page, what you can do is click on the option change over here. Inside here, it's going to show you all the different kind of transition that's available. You can just go to Seedance 2.0 and it's going to show you like different various kind of transition. You can do like, the candid, paparazzi, racetrack. There's like so many effects over here. You can choose whichever one you like. You can also go to exclusive, like, Seedance 2.0. Now there's like so many things over here. So you just have to scroll through and check which transition is better for you. You can see you can do the earth zoom out. Now most of the better transition is always in the Higgsfield DOP. So make sure to come over here and there are tons of it. You can do earth zoom out, eye zoom in, or you can do the roll transition, the fire breathing transition, or this generation, head popping, whatever option you like. All right, there's a multitude of transitions available over here. Just click on the one you like. It's going to give it to you over here. Now you can just upload your video over here and basically just like give it a little bit of prompt. You don't even have to give it a prompt, but if you want to make some micro changes, just give it a bit of prompt and click on generate, and it'll do that seamless transition. That's how you guys can do it. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like